Connections Counseling. I'm Monique Elgersma.
And I am Rick Elgersma, the hat guy.
And we are Real Connections Counseling. So one of the cool things about Real Connections Counseling is that we are doing couples intimacy reimagined retreats. Let's tell you a little bit about what those are.
Intensives, really.
Okay. What does that mean?
Intensives means that we are going to pick some very beautiful places to go, like Maui in Colorado. And you're going to see some really beautiful things, but we're going to put you to work. That's really what intensive means. You're also going to get 2 specific hours with just us to work on your relationship only. That's a really important piece of this. You'll be gathering up with other couples and we'll do some group learning, but we're also going to get together with just you and create some intensive time for you. There'll be some homework to do, there'll be some work to do, but afterwards you'll get to debrief together, but then you'll get to go out and see some of the sights, some of the beautiful things that there is to see. But you're also going to take part and be a part of this beautiful home that we're going to put you in.
Right. We want these to both be a retreat and a way to improve your relationship. So we do that by going to beautiful places, like Rick said. We're looking at 2024. Start making and saving money towards going to a retreat that can bring your relationship to the next level. It's intimacy reimagined. We're going to help you feel connected, feel like you know your spouse in a better way. We want you to have time to learn, to grow, to change, and have some time to just relax. So if you're looking at 2024 for your planning for vacation time or just some time to really spend with your spouse, consider working with Real Connections Counseling. We need to know that. We want to get you on our mailing list. So click on the link below, go to our website, fill out the contact us information and say you're interested in our upcoming retreats, and we'll get you on our mailing list so that you can hear about Maui in July and Colorado, probably the Breckenridge area of Colorado, which is absolutely gorgeous. And it's October. So if those are times that you would like to join us for retreats, please click on our website and let us know so we can get you on our mailing list.
We know that there's going to be lots of time to make your best relationship happen, and that's our goal, and that's really our motto. But we're bringing in a private chef. You're going to eat some amazing things. You're going to be able to do some amazing things, and you, most importantly, are going to be an amazing couple as part of this whole thing.
So make your best relationship happen. Join Real Connections Counseling on our retreats in 2024, also known as Couples Intensives. So we want you to join us. 2024, Real Connections Counseling, Intimacy Reimagined. Hope to see you there.